What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is actually the day, not like the other video. Today is actually the day we're gonna start it in like half an hour, I think. Video won't be half an hour, it'll probably be like 10 minutes, but we're gonna start it up and maybe drive it today. I don't know for sure, but yeah, I'm getting anxious, so if I don't sound as peppy as usual, I'm a little nervous, but you know what, it's just the way she goes with fresh rebuild startup videos. So yeah, we're gonna throw some braking oil in it. It is 10 weight 30 braking oil with more zinc. It's by Comp Cams, it's this guy. So it's basically just better for your assembly. It says improved service mating of rotating assembly, rod journals, piston rings, valve guides, etc. Proprietary additive package includes ZDDP, zinc and phosphorus, molybdenum, and detergents. Protects all internal engine components, including both flat, tappet, and roller valve trains. That's mine. Advanced formula requires no additional additives or supplements for maximum protection. Mineral-based oil is compatible with gasoline, methanol, and all high-octane race fuels. This product is intended for off-road use only. We're gonna pretend we never read that. So yeah, I'm gonna throw the oil in right now, and then we're just waiting on Damien to be able to tune it. So let's get to it. Okay, so I was filling up the coolant and we had a little bit of a problem. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but there is a big leak going down because I didn't tighten my heater core hoses enough. So they are tight now and we're going. Damien is currently trying to tune my ECU. Well, you're still trying to find it?
Yeah, it's just going slow as hell.
That's...
I'm just gonna wait this. I'm gonna wait this one out.
Okay. Yeah, so we're just waiting on it to load. So yeah, we have power. We are basically ready to start once Damien figures his end of the deal out. And then, yeah, after that, I don't know. We'll see. We still gotta obviously bleed the coolant, but yeah. Alright guys, so we are currently still waiting on the ECU to read on the computer. We have been sitting here for how long, guys? Like an hour, and for whatever reason it's just taking a long time to read it. So Damien is here on Team Chat or Team Viewer, so he is remoted into my computer from his computer, so he has control over my computer right now. We're just waiting. This is just loading right now. And yeah, just the long wait now. But I just wanted to update you guys, let you know what's going on. So once it's ready to start, I will update you guys. It's very windy. Okay, see you in a second, right now. Okay, so we finally figured out the ECU to the computer. So we are going to, I keep turning. So we're gonna just change a bunch of settings right now. You can kind of see my computer in there a little bit right there. So we're just going to change a bunch of settings, make sure the car knows what it's going to be running when it starts up, and then we have to bleed the coolant, turn the car off, and then do an oil change, and then yeah. But the good thing is we're into the ECU, we're changing the tune right now, so we should be good to go very, very soon. We are so close. Couple more minutes in my time, 1 second in yours. So okay, you ready? Make sure I'm not in gear. Okay, you ready? Holy f***, I'm so scared. Okay, 3, 2, 1. light turned off, so I turned it off.
Yep,
Oh.
that's good. Here, like, everything's the readings.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
We got a little fart.
Should I try again, Damien?
Yeah,
Ready?
I saw it.
Yep. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ah, so close. Trying again in 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys, so it is the next day. Yesterday kind of didn't really go anywhere, so I stopped recording because we were really trying to focus on getting the car running. So obviously you guys saw the car get started. It was amazing. It was so cool to hear it. I was just in shock. I was too focused on anything going wrong. And then we were just pretty much for the rest of the night, we ended up playing around with the tune and trying to get it to idle properly and all that. And we just couldn't really get it. The intake air temperature sensor, the thing that Kyle and I wired, it turns out you wire it differently. So we basically have been trying to get it to work, but we're not having any luck with it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Basically you pin it into the ECU instead of the MAF wiring. So right now I'm just trying to solder this and run this. This runs all the down, runs where the vacuum line runs through my firewall and then into my ECU, and that's that new little port beside the serial cable for tuning. I have my computer over there. Car's off right now. Well, not off, but off. And I'm just trying to fix this, get it working, so that we can officially get the car running. So I'm going to stop recording right now because the gardeners in our complex are starting to work. They have their weed whackers. I'm just going to be soldering this, and then I'll update you guys if I get the air temperature sensor working. Alright you guys, so I am having zero luck with this IAT issue. I'm not sure what's going on. I just emailed DIY Auto-Tune, who is the company that makes the Mega Squared ECU. So I'm a little lost. I'm just going to wait for them to reply back. But I think for now, we've jam-packed this video enough. This is amazing. I mean, I'm a little bummed out, obviously, because we didn't get an actual, like, good running idle and everything. And I didn't get to drive it, but everything is in small steps, and you got to enjoy at least the fact that it ran and started. That was like, just the fact that it started was nice. So yeah, I am absolutely pumped. I hope you guys are too. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for DIY to get back to me, fix it up, make sure everything's plugged in. Damien will retune it, and then we start the real break-in driving, which kind of sucks, but you guys will be here for the first drive. As per usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're at all familiar with tuning ECUs or installing IATs or just electrical wiring in general, let me know. You can either comment or DM me on Instagram. Either one works. Probably Instagram would be better, but who knows. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.